Okay, wait lang. Unbox muna natin tong Disney X66 mechanical keyboard. Inside the box, you get the keyboard, syempre, the Type-C cable, cooler, manual, dust cover kasi ayaw natin ng alikabok sa cutie setup natin. Akala ko pang cute lang siya, pero girl, pang hardcore gaming din pala si Disney X66. Meron nga siyang 68% layout design, kaya ang mouse mo may read space. Switches, may option ka. May red switch for smooth, blue for clicky, brown for something in between. And yes, you can swap them out anytime kasi ito ay hot swappable. At meron din siyang second stand level. RGB lighting, meron siyang 21 backlighting. And did I mention aluminum volume knob feels satisfied to twist instant mood booster. So to be honest, itong keyboard na to, hindi ko in-expect na ganito kaganda ang performance niya. Yes, cute siya, pero ang performance pang pro level. This X66 really said, why not both? Kaya naman, kung gusto mo rin ito, ay ilalagay ko na lang ang link ito sa Yellow Basket. Ayun lang.